Music. Capital One versus Citizens Bank, which is right for you? Let's compare these two popular banks. Find links to both in the description below. We'll explore their key features, strengths, and weaknesses to help you choose. Capital One shines with its strong digital platform, competitive savings rates, and no-fee checking. It's perfect for tech-savvy customers seeking convenience. Known for its diverse credit cards offering cashback and travel rewards, Capital One is a top choice for maximizing everyday spending. Its robust mobile app and online banking provide easy account access anytime, anywhere. However, its limited branch network might be a drawback for those preferring in-person service. Citizens Bank offers a more traditional experience with a larger branch network, concentrated in the Northeast. It's ideal for customers valuing personal service and access to a wide range of products, including mortgages and personal loans. Citizens Bank offers competitive savings rates and solid mobile banking, though not as advanced as Capital One's. Their robust customer support is a plus for those preferring direct interaction. However, Citizens Bank has higher fees on some accounts, and its online banking isn't as streamlined as some competitors. So, digital first, no-fee banking? Choose Capital One. Prefer traditional service and a large branch network, especially in the Northeast? Citizens Bank might be a better fit. Both offer solid products, it all depends on your needs. Check the links below for more details and choose the best bank for you.